What you're looking at is the mass exodus of people from southern Idlib and rural Aleppo. All of these cars are headed towards the Turkish border. As you can see, they've packed their belongings, sponges, blankets, furniture, anything that they could salvage from wherever they were living. They've taken their things and they're heading away from areas that are being continually bombarded by Russia and the Assad regime. This has been going on now for months. Hundreds of thousands of people are being displaced. And as you can see, this is quite unbelievable, the amount of people that are moving towards the Turkish border. And this is nonstop. This traffic goes several kilometers in both directions. And we've been sitting here for quite some time now trying to make it closer to the Turkish border, but the traffic is just not moving. Thankfully, today the weather is shiny and bright, but it's quite cold. And these people know that this is not the end of their trip. They're not sure when they're going to be able to make it back to their homes, and they're not hopeful that the conflict will end anytime soon. All they're concerned about is finding a safe place to keep their families, at least for tonight.